How to fix T-Mobile hotspot not working. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your T-Mobile hotspot when it stops working or won't connect to other devices. If your hotspot won't turn on, devices connect but have no internet, or it keeps disconnecting, don't worry, it's a common T-Mobile issue. It can happen because of signal problems, data limits, or simple settings errors. I'll walk you through how to get your hotspot working again. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Check your data plan. Start by making sure your T-Mobile plan actually includes hotspot data. Log into your T-Mobile account or the app and confirm your hotspot allowance. If you've hit your limit, speeds can drop, or hotspot access may stop completely. Step 2. Restart your phone or portable hotspot device. Next, restart your phone or portable hotspot device. Sometimes temporary network glitches cause the connection to fail. Wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on and try connecting again. Step 3. Turn hotspot off and on again. On your phone, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and toggle it off then on. It sounds simple, but toggling the feature resets the network handshake and often fixes the problem instantly. Step 4. Check the APN settings. Go to your phone's mobile network, access point names, or APN section. Make sure the APN type includes Done for tethering or Reset to default. Incorrect APN settings can block hotspot access. Step 5. Test with another device. If your laptop or tablet still won't connect, try another phone or device. That helps you see whether the problem is with the hotspot or the device connecting to it. Step 6. Reset network settings. If none of the above works, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth settings and gives your hotspot a fresh start. Step 7. Contact T-Mobile support. Finally, if your hotspot still isn't working, contact T-Mobile customer support. There may be a tower issue, account block, or SIM configuration problem they can fix from their end. And that's it! Your T-Mobile hotspot should now be working properly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile fixes.